Radio presenter Captain Smart Eddie and Simbi Ababetu Eja Mobekaya Honorable Kennedy Akompreko Agyapong MP for Asin Central Ebaye Eddie Simbi Ababetu Captain Smart so Eddie Efa yes Ikebia wode ne ho ka se wakwakoto AC ne won kro ne bana wontimi ntua ye 10k ho ensensem Ababeto abonten a chese ba timer chese ni suspension no ebebetu odwane nyina no na ne nyina wo bo eye eho eso se an ogina ho eka se omayimu ye bobosia na ye bobosia ye ntua enso wono ade a wo bebeto ye krampo no 10,000 Ghana cedis no up till now wono wontimi entua ye na no na chese ye Captain Smart na ye hwe ni mu se nko beba bonten no wa ba beka se de honorable eka no se ye no kre anase enye no kre na ye ka no enkakran wade ayesa chichide nante wa babonten ababa bebiebie ensem eni so ebra wade nanim ekoko piemo ewo Kingdom FM na wade nsem no etu edwa na wo kire mu SM nipa da sani dia woti wiase na sa wo ka no kore dia eno dia yeden a nipa ebefa ahotan dia wonya ye dia ensi ye krampo na chese nipa eka ede eto eye wo so no dia sa ensem no wate na enam na so echisan so onim sem enya dia se wadi ye obia ekana ebusuafo moma yinkotie ne nsem na wode etu edwane ba ye beto aso.
Mr. Gabi no ask me this adam question man.
There me pen.
Debi nya no.
No ask me some question.
Ask me about Kennedy. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong.
Oh, uncle, you see.
Only na make
30 seconds.
The
fight that I am fighting is not between Captain Smart and any other person. It's a fight that I am fighting for the betterment and advancement of the youth.
But at it,
oh, uncle, Abba.
At it,
oh, uncle.
Debi atana. Onamwasochi.
Enti,
onamwasochi.
Mempeda battle na be captains between Captain Smart on Fifth and Fifi.
Okay.
Jessica, what? Oh yeah, Captain Smart and the system.
Okay.
But if you them as okawa, say ni media, enyi mifi. Say ni ukroba. Anyi kura se court anamwa.
And I don't over fraud and I saw to be
I am not in here. Yea, and I am not. And I'm 80.
In your call be also.
What's it? I'm in my truck checker or 5,000 cedis. My check and what bounce. Yam fan no yam pad and patrol check it a bank and so bounce. I was no way you're checking. Bank and oil then we're checking. So what the stamps now this is now check how bounce the stamp be answer.
I'm not in
you pack one of the check and come on me for Kennedy. Or pedo deceive Kennedy.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Ewa.
Okay.
You pan pedo or deceive Kennedy. Say feed will be a mouth check no a bouncer. It's a criminal offense. Why Kennedy? Why not police station?
I see.
That's what I'm trying to answer.
Yeah.
And again, the check, there's no stamp on it. Actually, there's a check I call bank or something more about. But
it's not on your for Kennedy in the shop in a photo air conditions.
Oh, okay. Check what's it 2018, 19, 20, 21. And that one fee basa. And they put a 10 Kennedy Agyapong into a magistrate. Don't know then.
It's on for of
now if that oil then. It's a damn check and as a queen, not check and I stamp against door check and I bounce. Now, about you know, look, let me tell you this. Anytime somebody rises to defend any country in Africa, there's always psychological, economical, and social attacks on that person. If you want to stand up for the truth and for the development of this country, these three things will work against me. And then you may be showing you
no.
Nanado.
Beautiful.
I learned this courage from Nanado. When everybody was running away from the Kumipreku demonstration, he stood up and said that no. No more person no mind say Kumipreku demonstration no Samobeko, Samonko, Menanado, me making sure say ya be call compreko demonstration no Rollins on to me fire in no mum e wo krum ha. I learned that from him. So if anybody is sitting anywhere and thinking that obe chosen be cansem be yen niema mo pa mo kotra CNN and BBC, I don't care. What I care about is this country.
Nice.
Na ebusuafo said the wording nsem no etu edwa eno no utimi se o kan nsem no anya na gise bia wo osi asem no so ba ne kasa koa no mu no na gise wo kire mu a ye papa Honorable Kennedy Akompreko Agyapong entro na wo twa no kure bia sa eni wo no mo se wo no odene ka 10k bia enu ntinu de wo kan na maganafo emfa na so enko ho no me san se edom wo hoi ani esa de wo so entakrache wo yi wani edisi wo no ma na se wo yi wanim de to ho no mo se wo de wobeka no kre na ekwan bi obia ebefa so no no so egu wani mu ase aka nsem bi ede afa ho de wo mo ebeye nti ono do hu ne se sa okon no na wo kon enu nti no no de obia beka no wonte ye wate krampo na wabu na sum enua na chese ebusuafo eno na nsem no beto odwandodo na eka se na ene se sa de na chese wono abo this not the first time and I said this not the second time waka nsem de a kire obia nipa na ba abonte abedi bank that rumors no amano abaye for and next time no so wababo ntina wo ka bibia wo making the fact right na ebusuafo wutie said the ensem no ekona hwe hwan na wo hu ne se wo no wo ka no kre wo ensem no emu na se no kre pa se ya papa Captain Smart one day wo Honorable Kennedy Agyapong eka dia na ne ka wo babo nti bebe kan na papa de ne kwan so ano no se wo nam se obi hu abenti na chese edua na enya si wo no enti na chese wo edore no na chese mo no foforo ne sana na chese ne kwan so eno no ana wagentwe bia no fabra ebebetu edwa wo too much in comment section na ebiemu enso like your videos na share all the social media platform so midi de ekia sikapa ba kope that's na yebesan edi ehia ebi makram.